Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix Facebook Messenger emoji problem. If you want to send emojis on Facebook and you are not being able to view the emojis like you are supposed to, then there are some fixes. You can try it out. First of all, go to your Play Store. After that, search for Messenger. Once you find Messenger, make sure you update your app. If your app is not up to date, then you will be able to see an update button where the open button is displayed right now. Once you tap on update, you will be able to install the latest version of Facebook Messenger, and you can go back and see if your emojis are updated. If you are still not being able to fix that, the next thing you can do is download a new application which is known as Gboard and search the Gboard application. Here I have already installed Gboard in my phone. After that, go to your phone setting, type current keyboard. After that, tap on current keyboard and again tap on current keyboard. From pop-up, select the Gboard. After that, you can go back to any messaging app and search for emojis, much more from your keyboard. That is how you can easily get your emojis back on Facebook Messenger or any other app with help of third-party application. That's it guys. If you found this video useful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel and see you guys in next video. Thank you.